Hey, watch enthusiasts. Ever feel like brands aren't listening? Well, Hanhart just proved they are. You asked, they delivered. Introducing the stunning new Hanhart 417 ES Heritage Flyback, a direct response to popular demand. Fans clamored for it. The precision of a column-wheel flyback movement, a timeless black dial, and the return of Hanhart's iconic red HyCeram pusher. And here it is. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Hanhart, a legendary German brand, first made waves with their 417 ES in 2020, a faithful re-edition of the original post-World German military pilot's chronograph. It had that classic Flieger charm, the signature rotating bezel with the red marker, a robust hand-wound movement, and a price that made sense. We then saw it evolve with different sizes, a historically accurate 39mm alongside the 42mm, and even Panda and reverse Panda dial options, all featuring a flyback column-wheel movement. But something was missing, that vibrant red pusher. Historically, that red pusher wasn't just a design flourish. It was a crucial safety feature, preventing pilots from accidentally resetting their timing during critical maneuvers, especially with flyback chronographs. Now crafted from robust and refined HyCeram, it's finally back on the 417. Aside from this fantastic addition, the core DNA remains. You still get the choice of a 39mm or 42mm case, that distinctive bidirectional fluted bezel, a beautifully domed sapphire crystal, a secure screw-down crown, and a solid 100 meters of water resistance. And feast your eyes on this dial, a classic matte black that screams vintage pilot. The SLN-filled Arabic numerals and white hands offer excellent legibility, and the subtle faux patina adds just the right touch of history. Interestingly, the 39mm version boasts a solid steel case with anti-magnetic protection, while the 42mm offers a view of the movement through a sapphire case back. Powering this beauty is the reliable Sellita AMT5100 M, a heavily modified Valjoux 7750 architecture with that desirable column wheel and flyback function. Plus, you get a generous 58-hour power reserve and a stop seconds feature. You can choose between a classic leather strap with a comfortable underlay or a more contemporary and versatile 3-link brushed steel bracelet. Available right now, this Hanhart 417 ES Heritage Flyback is a fantastic addition to their permanent collection. You're looking at €2,590 on the leather strap and €2,790 on the steel bracelet. Hanhart listened, and the result is a truly special watch that blends heritage with modern precision. What do you think of this new release? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.